Yo, I got a new video for you guys. Obviously, just keeping up with the repairs on my scooter. Y'all check this shit out. Alright, just took off the bolt from the back chuck. We'll go with this one now. Alright, so I finally loosened up this bottom bolt. Kind of a pain in the butt. And I got the chuck off. I'm about to take it off. It's a new day. Just started again from last night. Yeah. It's out. Seen it a million times. Sister wash him out with the verdict. So clean as a whistle. Drinking premium liquor. Yeah, it's happening. An elevation, you can tell the nation. We on the rise through the lows and the highs. Tell the world to recognize. The Lord spoke, learn what the 7 is, the God number. And we the living evidence of things unseen. We come to run things. I keep goodwill and I stay hunting. I do believe this is going to be needing replacement. That's the bushing for my chuck. Laced up, hoodmans, I'm invisible on scanners, Highlanders, avoid new shots and sky cameras. Rules for the children, by pimping. I might lay a man down, he hailed Hitler so I made him put his hand down. Understand that wasn't part of his plan to be living in a land where a black nigga stand ground. In the heat of the moment. Making sure my cipher understands collectively. Scientists stay in search of those who have inertia. A killer never falls when it's time for service. Imagine what it took to get my mind to working. Blessed to be alive and to serve a purpose. Takes a special type of man to have this inertia. See you on the next video.